right, let's get this day started, guys. Hello, YouTubers. Oh, wow, I'm low on fuel. You would have never thought we had a freeze. Time to listen to the MJ Morning Show. It is one foggy morning. Wow, it's just getting worse and worse. Woo-wee. The prices. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Wow, that looks pretty interesting. I don't know if I ever had a mamba. Have you? Okay, you can stop anytime soon now. Hi, Chihuahua. And why wouldn't you work? 397 miles instead of 412. Wow. The Florida man is driving around to get rid of your roaches. Beware, there's a lot of photo force cameras in Lakeland. My addiction. Extra loving today. Bubba's getting washed. I forgot to push in my mirrors. Lay that hot shine on me. Thank you. Yep, Averett's gonna save another septic. Good job, Averett. And thank you for cleaning ours. Which way do I go? Checkers and Bartow closed down. Polk County native. Not White Castle. Pittsburgh Steeler fan. Stop. Right turn only. Country chicken fish. P-trap. Something's going on. Kathleen Post Office to see if there's mail. P.O. Box 742. There's a key. Lucky number 2. Oh, 2 packages. BB's Adventures. You want to send something? There's the address. Lock cameras, aka license plate readers. Returned to the house. Parking for Giants football fans only. All others will be sacked. Okay, now let's make some dinner. These are the ribeyes that BB cut that we bought from Felton, that big chunk of meat. This is the Walmart Amazing Taste Steakhouse Seasoning. We tried this, it was real good. This is ALDI's stuffing, cranberry, and pomegranate. That's going to be interesting. I don't use water in my stuffing. I use chicken broth. And believe it or not, this butter here has got a Best Buy date on it that we bought from Ditweiler's. And this should be Amish butter. So let's get this dinner started. I'm going to cook it on that there instead of outside today. All right, I'm going to put some seasoning on both sides. This one pack, so far this is my second set of steaks that I'm using this seasoning on. And it is really good. I'm going to do both sides here real quick, get that seasoned, and then get everything else ready. And you can see how BB cut the steaks. This one's a little thicker than this one, but we got a lot of meat out of that. All right. 1¼ cups of water, which I use the chicken broth, and then a half stick, which is 4 tablespoons of butter. And it does have microwave, but we're gonna cook it. I am gonna use butter to cook the steak, and I got the half a stick in there. I'm gonna air compress my butter. All right, now I'm gonna get these bad boys here. Got my 1¼ cup of chicken broth. And the reason I use chicken broth, because it does give it an amazing flavor to the stuffing. This has like a potpourri smell to it, kind of like your tea. And I still had enough seasoning to put on more steak. So if you do put a lot on there, it will be strong. Another thing, I'm finding that the butter tastes better than the oil. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this before. It's from ALDI's. And this will be our first time trying it. Alright, I think these are done. It's looking good. There it goes. Yeah, there's I see some cranberry now. I see some cranberry in there. It is hot.
Goodness gracious. With the cranberry.
It's good.
Yeah. Yeah, you should like that.
Tastes like, it smelled like your tea.
Oh, with the cranberry cooking?
When you opened up the bag.
Oh, all the dehydrated cranberries?
Yeah, there it is right there.
Mm-hmm. It's good. Steak is perfect.
Oh yeah, it's cranberry.
Mm-hmm.
You can smell it in your nose palates and everything. You get a little bit of that chicken broth flavor, and then the cranberry just takes right over.
Yep. So if y'all got an Aldi's by y'all need to try that.
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you tried that brand. I know we have another one. It's different. We'll be trying that one, but yeah, got another good stuffing.
So
definitely. So until the next one, guys.
see ya.
Let's see if the avocado is good. What do you think? It's good.